Hold your carrier by the waist belt so the panel and shoulder straps are hanging down like an apron. Place the waist belt high on your natural waist, then wrap it around and buckle in place. The buckle should click when it's secure. Slip the elastic loop around for added security. Buckle one shoulder strap to the same side of the body panel. And slip the elastic loop over for added security. Do the same thing to the other side. You'll find the chest strap in one pocket of the shoulder strap. Attach the chest clip to one shoulder strap at the position that you prefer. Shift your waist belt to one side so the panel hangs down over your hip. Place baby on your hip with their belly against the waist belt. Walk the body panel up the baby's back. Keeping one hand on baby the entire time, reach around with the opposite arm to grab the shoulder strap. Hip scoop baby towards your back and place your first arm through the shoulder strap. Switch hands on baby and place your other arm through the shoulder strap. Tighten your shoulder straps until you and baby are comfortable. Attach the other side of your chest strap. Lift up on your shoulder straps and make sure that you don't need to tighten anymore. Add slack to your shoulder straps by lifting up on the buckle. Unlatch your chest strap from one side. Reach around and place one hand on baby and begin to scoop baby on hip. Once baby has reached your hip, lower the body panel and remove baby.